In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Elden Ring on PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is download Steam, which is basically an app where you can download, buy, install, and then play games. And the way you do this is simply by typing Steam into Google, go into the website store.steampower.com, and then up here click on Install Steam, selecting your platform, in my case it's Windows, and then clicking Install Steam. And then, as you can see, the Steam setup is downloaded. You want to open it up. And then, once that's opened up, you want to click Next. And then select your language, click Next yet again. Select where you want this to install. So you can either leave it default or change it. It doesn't really matter. And then press Install yet again. And this will automatically install Steam onto your computer. Now, as you can see, I have it installed on my computer already. So I'm not going to do it yet again. And then once you've done that, you can open up the Steam app and it will ask you to log in or create an account. So simply log in or create an account if you don't have one already. It's very simple to do. And then once you're logged in, you'll see the exact same screen I'm in right now, which is the Steam store. If you don't see this, make sure you press Store up here, and that's it. Then you want to go to the search box up here and type in Elden Ring, okay? Then press Enter. And then over here, click on this gear icon and tap on View Unfiltered Search Results. And if you still can't see the game as one of the first games on the list, you want to unhide this where it says Hide Ignored Items, and Elden Ring should be the first game on your list. Then you want to press it, click on View Page, and then scroll down here to where it says Buy Elden Ring, and then you want to click on Add to Cart, and then View My Cart. In here, you can select whether you want to buy it for your account or as a gift, so I'm going to select for my account, and then continue the payment. And in here, you want to basically pay for the game, so you have to select the payment method from the drop-down menu. You can choose PayPal or any one of these, it doesn't really matter. And then once you select that, you want to press continue, go through the checkout process, pay for the game and buy it. And once you've bought it, your game will be added to your Steam library, which you can access up here. So once you've bought the game, you can click on library, select games here on the left, and your Elden Ring game will appear here on the left on the menu. You want to press it, click this install button over here, which will install the game on your computer. And once installation is done, you will see that this install button will be replaced with a play button, and you want to click on that big green play button and the game will launch up and you can start playing.